It's your girl Coco. Welcome back. So, as you can tell from the title, this is the opposite hand makeup challenge. Guess what? I did this whole motherfucking look with only my left hand. Not only my left hand. Like, I use my right hand to like open stuff, but I used my left hand to accomplish this look, and I'm very proud of myself. This is a very complicated look here. So I got my outfit to match, and I am very proud of myself. Like, girl, who you telling? Like, if I break my fucking arm, if I get it amputated, my right arm, I'm good. Like, I can still slay with one arm. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're interested to see how I got this look using my left hand, keep watching. And you're probably wondering, hey Coco, why are you taking your makeup off at the beginning of the video? Well, I actually recorded this video already. Guess what I did? I accidentally recorded the whole video on the time-lapse mode. Isn't that wonderful? So I'm just taking this off and doing it all over again, right? I'm going to finish taking my makeup off, and I'll be right back. So for primer, I'm going to use my Glassy Skin Balm by Touch and Soul, as you already know. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and I'm going to do my eyebrows. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to carve out my brows, and that part's a little scary. Oh my god, I can feel myself messing up. I'm using the same palette, but I'm probably gonna do different colors. Oh, by the way, I'm using the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales palette. It looks like that. So I'm not sure, like the other look I did, it had this plum color, and then I had this as my transition shade, and then this as my lid color. So maybe I'll do like this, let me see, maybe this like dark, like royal blue color. I don't know. We'll just play around with it and see how it goes. Now I'm nervous because this part is different. I didn't do these colors. This eye look's gonna be completely different. So let's see how it goes. Right. Oh, this blue is kind of unfortunate. Oh, that's okay. Oh wow, this blue is super vibrant. It's way more vibrant than I thought it would be. Oh shit, I might be in trouble, guys. I might be in trouble. Oh my god. Okay. It's not that bad. Like in my other video, I mean, when I thought I was recording properly, I mentioned that these colors are very forgiving, so, which I never realized before this video, but they're very forgiving. And I kind of like that they're very forgiving, because that means for even people who don't really know how to do makeup very well can use these colors and get away with maybe not blending enough, because I barely blended and it already looks pretty blended. It's like weird because, like, you know how usually you do like this and that and like little circles, side sweep. I can't really do that with my left hand. It just feels weird, and I can't really, like, I don't have like that control to be like I can't even do it. Like I can do it but not fast. I hope these colors turn out good, because oof. So I'm just taking like a beige. I use this type of color to kind of blend out the edges of that blue. It's like I have no control of my hand right now. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to carve out my crease, and I'm very nervous. I'm very, very nervous. I didn't do this in the other look. I carved it out, but I used this cream eyeshadow, and it already has like a doe foot applicator, so it's a little easier. But I think I got it. It's okay. I got it. I think I got it. So I'm just gonna put some of this Covergirl Undercover concealer on the back of my right hand, and then I'll take a flat brush and carve out my crease. And I hope I have a steady hand when I do this. So pray for me. Wow. Wow, that was really difficult to do. Nerve-wracking. I really want this to turn out good, because I'm not trying to make this look like a joke. Okay, so I probably gotta even this out, because this eye is I cut the crease too big on this eye, so I gotta even that out on this eye. I mean, this a little sharper than this one, but it's all right. It's okay. I'm actually going to apply this blue color on, should I don't know, I'm like, I don't even know what to do right now. I'm probably gonna do this. I'm just gonna go for it and then see if I can make it work after that. Oh, okay, it's not bad. It's like blue jeans type of feel. So I'm actually thinking I'm gonna do this color, right? And I'm gonna leave a little space between this lid color and the cut crease part. It don't look too pretty right now, but wait until the end. All right, wait until the end, you'll see the vision. So now I'm gonna add that other color. Is this one? Here's like a silver Yeah, like a regular silver color. Yep. With this, I'm going in real precise with the flat brush. Okay, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. I'm gonna go ahead and get the dark blue color that I used in my crease, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my outer corner. Right here. I see the vision. See the vision. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this part. So now that we've got our eyeshadow done, which was the hardest part of this look, I'm gonna do some eyeliner, and I think I'm just gonna do a thin line because I don't want to ruin it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Maybe I should do a wing. Should I try it? I'll try it. I think I'm messing it up. Oh my god. I'm gonna put this down because you gotta know when to pick your fights. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some lashes on. So start with this side. The last time I did this with my left hand, it was really hard to do this side, so I'm gonna try to like get it closer. Lash line? I don't know. I think I got it good. I'm very proud of myself. For a second time, I was able to do the opposite hand challenge and fucking slay, bro. Like, I fucking slayed. Like, look at this. Bitch, look at this. With my left hand. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. I don't feel like using anything heavy, so where did I put it? So I'm gonna use my Stila Aqua Glow foundation. Okay. Using my Pretty Vulgar concealer. Pretty much all of these products you've already seen in some of my videos, and I wasn't gonna list the products below, but I thought, you know what, if I have new subscribers, they don't really know, or new viewers or whatever, they don't really know what I'm talking about, so I'm just gonna list them below for your convenience. I'm using my Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. I'm going to apply bronzer using Milani. Big bronzer in Soleil. Soleil. It helps if you move your head with the brush. A little bit of my nose. I'm using blush, Alamar Cosmetics Blush Trio in medium tan. Oops, too much blush. Wait, that's the thing about using your non-dominant hand, is that you don't have like the sense of how much pressure to use, so that you don't apply too much product. Now I'm going to spray. Oh wait, no, let me do my shirt. No, I'm going to spray first, because then if I do my bottom lash line and put mascara on, then it's gonna get runny. And now I'm gonna apply some highlighter. I'm using the Laurent jelly highlighter. I feel like this almost ended up being like a regular tutorial, but I'm just using my left hand. I'm gonna just go ahead and take that blue color that we have on our crease and just do it like right on the outer part. Towards the inner part, I'm gonna take that silver color that I used on this part. I don't know how to explain it. Okay, so for my gloss, I'm using the UZ gloss in #1, and I love the applicator on this. It's so cool. I don't know, and I just never seen an applicator like that. I'm so proud of myself, bitch. Look at this. Look at this. I did this with my left hand. My left hand. Can you do this? I hope you try this. So I'm just gonna change into something that coordinates a little better with this look. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all. This is the complete motherfucking look. Like, can you believe I did this shit with my left hand? Bitch, you did that. You motherfucking did that. I look so cute. I love it. And I put a little outfit together, a little denim. I'm holding it because I got a shirt underneath. But I put a little outfit from waist up and these earrings. And I put a little clips, because you know a girl gonna take some Instagram pictures. I wish I had a blue hair tie, but I don't. But yeah, I love it. I did it. I'm very proud of myself, and that was a really cool challenge. I never thought I could even do it, but we did. We here, we made it. And guess what, guys? We made it to 100 subscribers, and I'm so happy and I'm so grateful. Yes, I can't wait for more growth, more content, and coming up with new ideas, because I really love making these videos, and I always say that I really love making these videos, and they make me happy. And with what's going on right now, this is the only thing that really makes me happy right now, and I'm excited to where it leads me. This was fun. I really like it. It tested my skills, tested my patience, but we made it through. And yeah, so I'll see you guys next time, because I'm talking way too much. So thank you so much for supporting me, and I hope you have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.